Welcome to the Business Central Insights Reporting Snapshot. Our reporting apps cover every area of your business, from sales to manufacturing and everything in between. They're plug and play, require no code, and can be configured to your needs. With over 400 ready-made Power BI reports, you can get actionable insights in minutes. Let's start with the Sales Insights app. There are over 40 reports covering many areas in the sales process. Here we have the total sales reports, giving you a complete picture of your revenue, cost, and profit trends. You have these KPIs right here, and then you can filter and adjust to your relevant measures on the left, a feature of all our reports. And there are always a lot of different measures you can use. There are several other reports covering customer sales, and then item sales in these two sections, and an extremely helpful section here on delivery analytics, which has reports tracking your delivery days. Here you can see here, you can keep track of those. And then we also have a great one on on-time delivery as well, where you can see if you hit those targets or not. Along with the fill rate report, then these three are perfect for tracking customer satisfaction and delivery performance. We also have tutorials for the total sales and delivery analytics reports on our BCI YouTube channel for a deeper understanding of those. Onto the Inventory Insights app, where key reports include inventory valuation, showing opening balances, increases and decreases, and closing balances in both quantities and values. Even adjustable for the different time frames. Then we have the inventory turnover report, helping you measure your efficiency with a list of all the items you stock here, you can see. The projected available balance by period report specifies items availability. It includes all known supply, represented by scheduled and planned receipts, and demand, which you can see in the gross requirement column here. Lastly, the inventory aging report with some great visualization showing exactly how long items have been in stock. Together, these reports give you the visibility to optimize stock levels, reduce holding costs, and free up working capital. And that's just the beginning, with many more reports offering valuable ratios and available balance insights shown here on the reports page. Onto our finance app, and as you can see, there's a whole suite of powerful reports here to explore. The P&L statement delivers instant profitability insights, while the essential CFO KPIs provide quick, high-level metrics for strategic decision making. And these are just two examples of our finance reports. In accounts receivable, reports like the receivable table here give you a clear view of outstanding balances. And you can also view receivables aging to highlight overdue accounts. And then as you can see, there's a wide range of other additional accounts receivable metrics and reports, from before due, overdue analysis to customer statistics. These are all giving you the tools to manage cash flow effectively. In accounts payable, the payables table makes it easy to monitor amounts owed. And then in our main page, you can see additionally, payables aging helps prioritize upcoming or overdue payments. Alongside these, there are reports for vendor statistics, payables trends, and before due, overdue tracking, all designed to strengthen supplier relationships and optimize payment cycles. Our projects app includes powerful reports like the job actual versus budget to keep projects on track. And you'll also find detailed profitability reports by project or item. There's Gantt charts for visual scheduling and comparison tools to track progress across periods or dimensions. Together, these give you a clear view of performance, resource allocation, and potential bottlenecks. And we have a full reporting suite for purchasing with some familiar layouts to the Sales Insights app. And additionally, we have for service, cash flow, and CRM. They're all ready when you need them straight away, out of the box. Lastly, in the Manufacturing Insights app, the on-time and in-full routing report helps optimize scheduling with production over time, item and location visualized, and the important KPIs showcased. On top of that, you can see each production order status listed. While standard cost variance report, you can compare your actual costs with your standard costs. And lastly, the actual versus expected capacity report, again with each production order status listed, helps highlight performance and efficiency gaps. A key feature across all our reporting apps is our cube reports, just like this production cube here. These matrix style reports let you adjust filters and measures like any other report, but also configure your own rows and columns to suit your needs. In a few clicks, you could look at your production by area, one of the columns here, and then view that for, let's change the rows to the item category, and then the items within that for a more detailed view of your production. Then we can drill down the hierarchy to see all that information. And best of all, you can save these setups as bookmarks, ready to revisit with your real-time data. Additionally, you can also use our semantic models to analyze in Excel or build entirely new reports in Power BI, giving you complete flexibility to focus on the metrics that matter most. We have full tutorials on cube configuration and analyze in Excel available on our YouTube channel. You've just seen a snapshot of what Business Central Insights can deliver, from sales and finance to manufacturing, projects and beyond. With over 400 ready-made customizable reports, you can discover your key metrics, explore your data in new ways, and turn questions into actionable insights. Thanks very much for your time and have a lovely day.